Okay, so we're thinking about how to do research for our research paper on human migration, the causes of human migration. We did a Google search, if you remember, and turned up this Wikipedia article on human migration. And then we went down to the reference list to try to find scholarly sources. And we clicked on this one and ended up at this article, if you remember. And then I suggested if you do take notes on it, then you also want to go to the reference section and see if there's anything else helpful for you. You can see that some of them have links, like this one is to the Charter of Fundamental Human Rights of the European Union. This one has a PDF also about protection of refugees. And you can look through here and see if anything looks interesting for you. I wanted to show you down here. It looks like this author also cites a website, and I'm just going to open up this website for us. And just to show you, now this website is probably a pretty good one. I got a big mask. There we go. And it's not bad to read websites and articles. However, this would probably not count as a scholarly source for you. It's kind of like reading Wikipedia, although this ThoughtCo is a different name, but it's the same idea. But you could read it for background information, but then once again, I would really encourage you to look at your sources here. And then look at this. It's got some different articles that are cited here. And you could just try to click on one of these and see what happens. And then you see this opens up a publisher's website. This is Taylor and Francis. They give you an abstract, but like many publishers, they do not give you the entire article. But you could read the abstract to see if that's something that you think would help you. I'm going to go back to this article here. And I really like the title of this one. It says, Zimmerman, Klaus F., European Migration, Push and Pull. Now, if you look at the Wikipedia article, it mentions that push and pull factors are causes of human migration. So we're connecting what we learned from the Wikipedia article with what we see here. And I'm just going to click on it and see what happens. Let's see if we can get it from this, if it's going to be free and open for us. And we have the abstract only, and then everything else is blocked, which is kind of sad. But I'm going to show you another way you might try to find it. I'm just going to highlight the name there, open up a new tab, and go to scholar.google.com. Now, Google Scholar is better than Google when you're doing research because it focuses on scholarly articles written by experts, published in journals that are recognized around the world. So I'm just going to paste the name of that article and see if Google Scholar will give me something. Now, when you see a Google Scholar list of search results, on the right side here, it will show PDF if there's a free version for you. Now, unfortunately, our one that we really want does not have a free version available out here. But if you scroll down, there are other similar types of articles that you could try the PDF. And then remember what we do with a scholarly article, right? We read the abstract, the introduction, and the conclusion before we read it in detail. This one is about Eastern Europe, which might be interesting. And so you can click on this, but it's not going to give you the full article. Remember, the abstract is only what's available. You can also click on Cited By right here. Cited by means these are all of the people that have cited this article in their newer articles. You notice that this article was published in 1996, which is kind of a long time ago in terms of research. But newer research has happened. And so if you click on Cited By, then you get all of these newer articles that cited this old article. And some of them have free PDFs available. We'll stop there for now, and we'll pick it up in our next video.